Okay, the next one is kind of hard. Who versus whom? I'm going to teach you all a trick to kind of remember which one should be used where. So the word who or whoever should stand in the subject form, and whom and whomever can stand in the object form. So a good way to remember this is if it can be replaced with he, it should be it should be a subject form, or who. If it is him, it's going to be an object case, which should be whom. I'll show you what I mean in the next sentence, in the next test question. So if we look at here, which item is correct? Who did you see at Prince Charming's castle? Okay, so okay, that's the first one. And then who came to see Minnie Mouse? So if we look here, what is the subject? This is kind of hard. So I like to just kind of rephrase the sentence here. So who did you see at Prince Charming's castle? So I would say, did you see him at Prince Charming's castle? That's how I would change that question or that sentence. But in the next one, it should be who came to see Minnie Mouse. I would change it to he came to see Minnie Mouse. Change it into more of a statement instead of a question, kind of finagling it. But as you see here, did you see him at Prince Charming's castle? So we see the word him. If I see the word him, I'm automatically going to think whom. So A is definitely wrong because it should be whom did you see at Prince Charming's castle? So A is wrong. B, who, that is the subject form. Okay, who came to see Minnie Mouse? Awesome, he came to see Minnie Mouse. So that is the correct form of the subject form of who. So that's why B is correct, and let's see if that's right. Cool, that is correct. All right, let's get into another practice question to see if we have it right. So which item is correct? Out of everyone here, whom came to Disneyland last year? This is kind of a weird sentence, but let's keep going. So the little girl took a picture with her favorite princess, Pocahontas, whom she loved so much. So if we look here, out of everyone here, whom came to Disneyland last year? So I could say he came to Disneyland last year. He came to Disneyland last year. So I would automatically think, okay, A is out, but let's affirm that with the second. So the little girl took a picture with her favorite princess, Pocahontas, whom she loves so much. So who is doing the loving? She is doing the loving. And it's kind of in a weird spot, but this is the object form right here, whom, because that's who she loves, whom she loves, Pocahontas. So that's why B is the correct answer, I believe. And I believe I am correct. The best way that I think to practice the who versus whom is to actually go through some specific example sentences in the book. There's actually a cool YouTube video that I'll actually include in the description in this video, but be sure to look at that and be sure to really understand who versus whom because they are kind of tricky, but if you practice, you'll definitely get the hang of it a little bit.